Rock City, babe. What you doing to me? Boy, you need to fix them squeaky brakes. And the 300 gang, don't y'all ever forget it, all right? Ever. What's good, Grizzly gang? It's your boy Grizzly, man. I'm back with another daggone video. Man, y'all see I got the daggone tank top on, got the chest, got the pectoral. Woo! Feeling swole right now, but you know, Black Beauty is right there. Don't worry about the handicap stuff. That ain't part of your business. But today, y'all, is the 1 year anniversary of Black Beauty. Me purchasing Black Beauty. Man, it's like yesterday. I remember going, not indecisive on if I wanted to get this car or not, if I wanted to trade in my blue girl to get this car and all that stuff, man. So it was crazy how it happened. But I was like, well, I'm not gonna drive my car. Let me just fly down to North Carolina, Charlotte, and pick up the car, man, and drive it back. And sure enough, that's what I did. I wish I would have brought my lady with me, Monty, but I just came by myself. Wasn't too sure if I was gonna get it or not, but I got it, man. It was fairly easy. Good credit score, of course. Got to keep a good credit score, man. And just was really happy, really blessed to have this, man. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears, because that was my first baby that I financed, my blue girl, and this is my second car. You know, so you don't have to have the best car if it's your first time financing. Just get something so we can help you out, so you can get the stuff done. But I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the car. She is dirty right now. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel. Come comment out with these bangers every single daggone day, man. You know, I'm gonna get some workout videos on there too, get some fishing and stuff like that. You know, I got a lot of stuff coming to the channel, and next week I'm picking up something. It's not a car, it's nothing like that, but it's a new family member. And I also got another family member that's on the way, is baking in the oven right now, man. My little baby girl, she is coming I think July 3rd or 4th. So y'all stay ready for that, man. I'm truly blessed to have something like this, man. And shout out to everybody that's been liking and subscribing. Keep on doing that, man, because we going up from here, man. Ain't nothing but bigger and better things, new cars, more 300s. I don't know what do y'all think. But let me go ahead and start up Black Beauty. Somebody else started hers. Let me start on mine though. Let me show you what the Hemi sound like. It is a daggone gas shortage, man. So for everybody that need gas, man, calm down on it. I've been driving Blue Girl because of the gas shortage and stuff like that, but I have to go do a small errand real quick. But I'm going to drive this because I got to do a video, part of my work, part of my YouTube. Yeah, don't be stingy, y'all. Get what you need, not everything. You know, if it's a gas shortage, it's going to be a gas. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. You can't stop it. Everybody's gonna drive and stuff like that. Just be considerate. Don't be trying. Well, I had to take a long trip because it's something that I've been planning before all this happened, and I saved up for and everything. So let me go ahead and get in this car, man. Y'all just need to be respectful of other people. You know. Ooh, it's hot. Hot as a. Ooh, it smells good in here too, boy. Ooh, it smells. I got the little Febreze thingy, and they contradicting everything you claim to be. Drake, come on, man. You about to mess my video up, Drake. Drake is about to mess up my video. Rolling the windows down. Look at that pollen, bro. Y'all just need to be considerate. Like I was saying, be considerate of other people. And look, I'm about to fill up, because I'm not even about to use this, but I'm definitely going to fill up on Friday. Yeah, that's when I need to fill up. I'm not going to do nothing right now. I'll probably fill up Thursday, just because no need to do it right now. I know a bunch of gas stations. So let's go. Alright, y'all, so talking to y'all. Hopefully y'all can hear me. The wind noise ain't that crazy and stuff like that. I know y'all see me. I'm tattooed up, man. I'm tatted up, bro. A lot of people don't know that, but I am. All right. All right, but look. So this is the 1 year anniversary of my girl. I'm definitely gonna stop and talk about her, but what I got, I bought her when she had 12,000 miles on her. I have 28,000 miles on her now. I drive my car, you know. This is my baby. You know, don't drive her that much because I don't drive her back. I probably would have had hella miles on her because work and stuff like that, but I don't. This is my baby right here, man. I kept her clean. I keep her looking clean though, you feel me? Do a little punch real quick. Ooh. And that's with no pedal box on. I mean, my bad, not pedal. Roar pedal. I forgot what I had, y'all. See? Could it be so many things going on, bro? And look at no, that was copper. But I'm not speeding. I just want to make sure that, you know how people look. You see with a nice car, they're gonna pull you over and stuff like that. I don't need none of that. But yeah, my hair looking scruffy. I'm getting my hair cut and stuff on the weekend, man. I can't wait for the weekend. I got a big announcement on the weekend too. It's not gonna be a video. I'm not gonna record it, but it will definitely be my Instagram. So y'all keep watching my Instagram and see what pop up on the weekend. You feel me? But about this car, man, this is probably one of the best cars that I had. Like I said, well, my Mazda 3 is not my first car. That's probably like my third car. My first car was actually an Acura Legend, then a Honda Civic, then a Mazda 6, then a Mazda 3, then this car. And look at this dumb lady. She's not supposed to do that. Got her on camera too. Come on, man. You have, if you're gonna take the chance, go. Don't stop and get scared. You know, take the chance and go. Then I had to brake for you. I didn't have to brake because you was gonna take it, but you got scared and you stopped. Do better, y'all, with your driving, okay? I've been driving for years. You know, I'm a country boy. My mama let me drive, you know, sitting on the lap and stuff like that. But in a parking lot, though, you know. And then, you know, I ain't gonna tell y'all all everything, but yeah, I got to drive, you feel me? One thing I like to do in this car, I know I'm off topic right now, one thing I like to do is when I see mirrors and stuff like that, I like to look at myself drive when I'm driving, so you get to see it looking, ooh, don't she look good? Isn't she lovely? Somebody make this little stop. I'm gonna get out and talk about the car. So this ain't gonna be no editing, nothing like that. I'm gonna just go ahead and just talk through this thing, man, because this is just one of them videos. It's one of them videos where I do that. So it's a good little parking spot. Let me get out, talk to y'all. Let me get out real quick. Yeah, this ain't gonna be no editing, nothing like that, bro. We going straight through this joint. It's just one of them videos, bro. It's the 1 year anniversary of me and Black Beauty, and so much has been done to her, bro. All right, my caliber covers are coming. Don't worry about my caliber covers. Y'all already know. If y'all new to the channel, I have orange caliber covers by CCI caliber covers. They're excellent. They're wonderful. I had the outdated model. They have a new model, so yeah, I'm telling y'all. So my car a little dirty right now, but y'all know what she look like. If y'all check out my old videos and stuff like that, older videos, y'all see how she looks. I got her lowered recently. She has a 2-inch drop. I'm telling you, it's wonderful. Way better handling on the windy roads and stuff like that. And it looks even more aggressive. Let me just show y'all. Let me walk back real quick, you know? I'm gonna just show y'all just everything about it. But this is my 1 year anniversary with my girl. She's doing amazing. No technical difficulties. Only thing was the window kept going down and up and stuff like that. But other than that, nothing else happened like that. But if you just check her out, man, she's good. My family is good. They love her and all that stuff. So if you ever see like a 300 or a Mopar or a Charger or something like that, you know the front ends look crazy, bro. And my front end in this thing, Oh yeah, and I know y'all say y'all want to, if what was it, the hood or something like that? It was the hood or the rims. So everybody want to see the hood, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the hood. I don't know when I'm going to get it, but I'm going to get it soon. You know, I got a daughter coming up. She is coming, y'all, so y'all stay tuned for that. But all the other little things that I've done to her, from lowering her to doing stuff underneath the hood. Don't worry about my car, she a little dirty right now. Yeah, so, oh yeah, let me show you on the inside. Just doing like the little orange accents and stuff like that. I got to do some more, do the carbon fiber. I got to finish up the inside. Like the inside was kind of like my winter project. I do got to get back to it and do like all my winter stuff to the back seat and everything, you know, my cleaning products and stuff like that, to the wicker build, to the fin, to my little stuff right here, which is really recent with the Hemi right here. Go all the way down, blacking out these with the Hemi right here with the carbon fiber by East Coast Hydrographic. And of course I had to upgrade my tips to the 4.5 inch chrome tips, which look excellent on this thing. I need to blacken this out. You know, I got so many things that's coming to the channel that y'all just gotta stick to me. I mean, well, stick to the channel. Stick to the channel and just watch, man, and just watch the development of this car, bro. And we got the Hemi on this side that go, so we got like the pacer type thing. This is trash. I bought this from eBay. I'm about to rip this off and I'm about to go back to East Coast Hydrographic and have them hydro dip it. I bought this off eBay. It was already hydro dipped, but it's fading like crap. It's been on there since August, so it's been a minute since I had it on there, but sucks. It was really cheap. It was about $40, so I mean, I guess the sun did it, but I know East Coast Hydrographic, theirs is like perfect and they paint it and all that stuff, so it won't be doing all this fading and stuff like that when I take it to them. So I'm about to get this hydro dip and get that hydro dip with the carbon fiber look. Have my caliper covers. I think I'm gonna get some spacers to like push this out a little bit. I don't know if I need like an inch or less than an inch type spacer, maybe an inch in the back and then something in the front, something like that. Y'all tell me what I should do for like to make the aggressive. I know I'm not to get the rims yet, but I definitely want to have a good like offset type look, or have like a staggered type look. I know when I go down, I don't know if it'd be an inch, maybe like a half an inch or something like that. Maybe I should do half an inch to make it push out a little bit more, to give more, it look more aggressive when you have those wheels that stick out. If you look at the trucks and things like that, a truck don't look right when the wheels stick out. Look at this truck. All right, this is just an example. All right, you see that truck right there? That's a regular basic truck, right? You see how the wheels stick in? But then you got this car right here that the wheels poke out a little bit. I hope you don't be on me, but you see how the wheels stick out? And then you see this other truck right here. It's really lifted, bro. And here that look how it's staggered. It look way more aggressive. All right, so that's just a good example right there, man. I didn't plan that. That just happened. You feel me? But I definitely need some rear tires for her because I burnt out. And you know, if you got the RT, you ain't got that rear slip, and that tire is done. It is so done. I wish I could just get like another used one like this, just so I don't have to pay so much money to get 2 tires or something like that. And yeah, but let me show y'all underneath. Let me show y'all real quick. Yeah, everything, I didn't really change anything. This is still clean because I keep it clean. Need to clean a little bit. I'm gonna go under here and clean it. Everything is fairly new, y'all. Keep my car very clean. I'm really particular about doing that. Oh yeah, this is from East Coast Hydrographic. You see how good it looks? Ooh, no fading or nothing like that. And it's been on there not a year yet, but almost. It's getting up there. And Mopar Legacy, yeah. Shout out my bro Jason. He does all these graphics for me, the stickers. And this graphic right here, recently put these on there. So I got the Indy 500s in the back. Just a little bit more street type tire. The more street type tire is just really good, and it's actually way better than the stock tires that come on it. It gives you a lot more grip. It's just the way the tire is. So yeah, this is my baby right here. Oh yeah, I blackened out these are fully LED. I'm about to get her clean also, probably get some different caliper covers, calipers. I definitely want the 4-piston or the 6-piston, whichever one comes my way first and is a reasonable price. That's the one I'm going to get. It doesn't matter if it's 6 or 4. They both have great stoppable power, you know. And I'm about to put the Pro Charge on it, y'all, so look forward to that. And what else I got done to her? And she's just so black. she's really stealthy, man. When you see her rolling on the street, she just be like floating, bro. I be like so into my car, like I be trying to look, like when I'm driving past a car or something like that, I be trying to look at my car through another car that's clean. I'm like, dang, my car look good. So if you feel that way when you look at your car, oh yeah, don't forget the wicker build. By Evil Customs, you know, Grizzly money on the back. Yeah, so when if you can do that to your car and look at it, you know you love your car, man. You know you made the right choice. But everybody, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe to the Grizzly Martin channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day for y'all, man. I'm not stopping, I'm not slowing down. I might slow down when the baby comes, but we're gonna figure that out. All right, yeah. So I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Hey, shout out to all the Grizzly gang. Peace. I think I burned a little rubber right there.